morning to all my friends, student friends all across India who have joined for this program, Campus Talent, with the tagline Inspire with Innovations, organized by Project Contest Innovations in association with Anomaly Innovation and Incubation Research Foundation, Axis Global Automations, N2 Technology Solutions India Private Limited, Nanda Infotech, Ancient Industries, Trueline Academic and Research Center, Edilabs Technological Solutions, and Dream 360. So we are joined here with an innovation mind because we know that a lot of initiatives are taken by Government of India for nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship. For nurturing the innovation and entrepreneurship, the generation of ideas is a very key part. So we at Project Contest, along with various industries and industrial experts, we are doing a lot of initiatives. One of such initiatives is this idea presentation events organized by us. This is the fourth event we have already organized in the name of Innovism and Skyfesta. And it's the fourth event in that row. So through this program, we have nearly got around 400 plus ideas in the various programs, through which many students from the previous programs have now in the startup early stage, and they are working on to that. So I hope this program, the students who have joined for this campus talent event, from you also, few students will become an entrepreneur, as well as you will get a wonderful exposure through this idea presentation event. Apart from the idea presentation event, we are also having a workshop focusing on the Arduino interfacing with Android. Is going to be taken care by the Edilab technology team, and also we're going to have a quiz event on based on the emerging technology. So before going for the event, we always want the eminent resource persons from the industries to share their experience to the student friends, so that you can get more knowledge about what is the importance of generation of ideas, or else what is the importance of you students learning about various technologies, and what is the importance of becoming an entrepreneur. You can hear from them. So first, I like to call Mr. Vigneshwaran from Nanda Infotech to give the speech about what they are doing and a motivation for all the students. Go to Vigneshwaran, sir.
Good morning and happy morning. It's once again thanks to Project Contest that come to conducting this kind of event to encourage the students to get to do an innovative structure. Most probably, I'm a founder of Nanda Infotech. We are running this company for the last 9 years. What we are doing in this particular field called we are into five fields. One is the software. We are making softwares for pl- education institutions, as well as we are making mobile apps, and then most of our clients are Malaysia, Qatar, and Canada. Meanwhile, we are also into an embedded. We are providing embedded solutions to Indian Defence, DRDO, Bharat Electronics Limited, and then ISROs, Milgrade Electronics, and also we are working within a biomedical. We have won the last thing from the DST for oxygen concentrator, innovative oxygen concentrator under the Kavach program. We are the indigenous portable oxygen concentrator for the COVID-19 pandemic situation. We have done it totally indigenous and made in India. These are also some of the fields. Meanwhile, we are also mostly concentrated into a field called AR and VR, augmented and virtual reality. We are the one who have India's first motion capture suit. We have built the India's first motion capture suit, and it was demonstrated at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University under Directorate of Agribusiness Development Board for an agri-tourism related areas. And these are all the things we are doing. What is the important things about innovation is nothing but I have started this company when I completed my college days, and then I started this company. Uh, uh, Once I don't have so much exposure towards this industry, what I'm going to do, and what are all the files, and what are all the capabilities, what are all the compliances to do on this particular thing. I don't know anything. Simply, I have started the company. But nowadays, we have so many companies and so many programs are available to nurturing the entrepreneurs, which makes entrepreneur into a next level. So in the college days itself, you are shaped in, and you have been you can easily portray yourself to the so many companies, and you can get a project easily. Anyone here is already having any innovative idea? Why I'm asking in the sense, innovation is not. It's nothing but it's not need to be a bigger or a, very big in size. It even a simple simple stickers, simple concepts which can make more people think, which can change more people's life. Because I know one of the innovation where the blind peoples are at present they are using simply the reflection stickers which the blind sticks, the people those who hold the blind sticks now it doesn't have that 3D reflection stickers in the earlier days. One of a person has come out with a simple sticker related areas and then put it on a that particular blind stick. It makes the blind people can able to move around at night so that that death rate can be reduced. The innovation can be as simple and more efficient as it actually. This particular program is jointly under Annamalai incubation, so you can easily nurture with an incubation cell. Because last 3 years only we came to know. Okay, these are all the incubation areas. We can able to associate with an incubator. We can raise the funds. Even I don't know when I started a company in 2013 and 14. I don't know how to present my idea, how to pitch a product to a investor, how to go for an VCs. But nowadays, this is an opportunity where Project Contest.com is providing an opportunity to students to make a minimal viable product to validate their ideas and get into an industry at the earlier stage. So you people can able to interact with the industry peoples in this particular program also, because this particular program not only individual industries, it have a group of people's industrial experts is over here. You can able to interact with each and every one here. And only thing what you need to do in the sense, you need to maintain the networking what you have going to put for these years. Since your product may good or not, your idea may be lost today, or it might get a better one by tomorrow. But once you connected with the industrial people, or once you get networking aspects, then you can easily get your ideas through to any investors or any incubation cells. Hope this particular contest will help you to nurture your own idea and make most profitable and most innovative thing in your career. All the best for your future, and thanks for the opportunity, sir.
Thank you, sir. You have been in the Delhi today, and you
Yes, sir.
accepted that you will anyway join and speak to the student
Actually, I'm
community.
on
I
travel
think
only. Now only I have stepped out from my
yes, sir. Yes, I can
airport.
understand. Sir.
Okay,
Yesterday,
sir.
yes, sir, we
Yes,
spoke
sir.
that day. So
Yes, sir.
thanks, sir. Thanks for
Okay, sir.
joining and sharing your views. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So this is thanks Vigneswaran sir, founder and CEO of Nanda Infotech. They are doing a lot of works in machine learning, data science, IoTs, and embedded systems. Students can approach Nanda Infotech anytime, and you can use the opportunity. Thank you, sir. So before going to the next resource person, I welcome our mentor Ganapati Raman sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining for this program.
பாப்பாட்டு காலத்துக்கு போற
Jai Karthik, kindly mute your mic, pa. Jai Karthik. Yeah. So next, I like to welcome uh, Rudra Kumar from Axis Global, sir, application engineer. So over to you, sir. You can share your experience in industrial experience, sir, to the students, how they can
Yes.
think of prototyping and other things. Over to
Okay,
Rudra
sir.
Kumar,
Shall we
sir.
make a PPT here?
Yes, sir. You can share the PPT also, sir. Kindly keep it around 5 to 7 minutes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. You could all see the PPT. So good morning to everybody. So I am Rudra Kumaran, application engineer from Axis Global Automation. So myself and my team are from an integration team. So where we do multiple projects in industries. So industries include process industries, product industries, manufacturing needs, and domestical sectors, and public sectors, private sectors. So in all area we are doing a projects. It's all up to the industrial level, and here you can see the automation solutions which we provide in the sectors of paper mills, water treatment plants, HVAC systems, special machines. So we are ready to do the SPMs where the multiple ideas which the customer have. So those machines will not be emerged, but the customer will have some idea or the outlook where he can make his production very efficient. So he will have some completed designs or the ideas. So we will convert those ideas into the real machines. So through some powerful tools and languages. And automobile industries, yes. So since the automation is 60 or 70% is used in an automobile industries, and you guys know that nowadays the automobile production cycle time is very less. As you can know, the latest news of Ola Industries, they are delivered that they can make one vehicle, each vehicle at 4 seconds and even in 3 seconds. So this time updation is completely brought out or made possible through an automation tools. And we are specialists in application development, yes. Turnkey project retrofitting. So retrofitting in the sense, if the industries is running with an older technology or the older tools, so we will completely change those tools to a newer technology. So without the process interruption, without the any problem, we will completely convert the old to new, so that they can meet the service and maintenance at the time which they require. And so we have multiple sectors actually. So Axis Global Automation, AGIT. So through Axis Global Automation, we are providing the industrial solutions and projects. And through AGIT, which is Axis Global Institute of Industrial Training, so we are delivering the students a knowledge about industrial tools and languages. So how they work. So every knowledge is being shared through AGIT, and we have Autotech and EMX as well. And our services to industries, as I told before, engineering consulting, commissioning. So these are all the services we do. And even for colleges, we are doing service like industrial based training. So as you guys know that to enter into a core industry, you need to know the basics and fundamentals and the tools, how they work. So we give seminars, guest lectures, lab requirements, and these things. And we got multiple branches, UAE and India. India, we got 4 branches. And we are the integration teams who provide robot project also. So particularly in the Escava brand. And our industrial clients, so Nissan, Ford, MRF, Apollo, ABB. So these are all our industrial clients right now, and our college clients, so are ready to share with us the concepts and everything. And we got signed MOUs. So Nanda Education Institution, Banari Aman, Murgapur. So these are the colleges we signed MOUs. And Center of Excellences, we got a Center of Excellence also. And solution partners. So these are the brands we have which enable in our solution partners and supporting brands. So the project which we do or which we build for an industry, so we will use these type of brands in industries. So particularly, it's all the well-versed brand which is used worldwide. And since you guys know that you need the complete fundamental. So this is also one of the platforms, so where you are engaging in some projects, and those will build up your basic knowledge actually. I'm sure that by having this kind of event apart from your degree, so definitely it will add up to your technical knowledge, and it could definitely help you in your future entry basics, or if you are going to start your own company, and this will be an initiative idea. And since you're going to go through some programming language actually, right? So since whatever technology or the product you develop today, so it's all about a programming language. So why? Because so we got the microprocessor and microcontroller, right? So since we got these two, we got larger Boolean languages. So starting from scratch, C2, C++, Python, embedded C, assembly language, FPD, LD, ST. So you got lot of languages. So what happens now, if you are an engineer, so whatever your specialization may be, you are a mechanical, triple easy, whatever, but you should know at least two language. So where you can build up the other language from the scratch, right? So this project event, it will be a big like a initiative to learn the languages and the basics and the importance of the controller, IOs, interfacings, communications. So this will be the good startup, and you will not panic. Suppose if you are going to an integration team in your future as a fresher, and you know the complete basics. So this is why I want to meet you. So whatever the technology you learn, whatever the big concept you know, nothing's matter. If you are good with fundamental, then you are ready to go with your career. So in industries also, they are expecting the students to know the fundamental first. So if they are good with base only, they can develop their own ideas, and they need not have any training actually. Okay, so I think this is a good initiative, and thanks to project to make this event to develop the students. And so I think you got some idea what I told. So all the best for your careers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing the views on behalf of Access Global India Automations and sharing the things what you are doing. Thank you, sir. Next, I like to call Mr. Gautam Raja from N2 Technology Solutions India Private Limited, Technical Manager, to share his experience and industrial needs from the student side. Over to Gautam Raja, sir. Gautam Raja, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. So, very good morning to one and all attending this session. Okay, sir. First of all, thanks for arranging this wonderful seminar. Okay, so first I would like to introduce sir, just a small presentation. Okay, it will not more than 5 minutes. Okay, so actually I'm Gautam Raj from Technical Manager into Technology Solutions India Private Limited. Okay, so actually we have started up in year 2007, and we are having a different verticals. Okay, so with multiple portfolios starting for complete product manufacturing facility, right? So this is a kind of an instant prototyping machine. Okay, so where you can make your instant convert your idea into an instant PCBs. Okay, so this is a complete tool which we are having for complete PCB prototyping machines, and this is an assembly unit. Okay, so starting from your idea, right? So you can make your complete PCB manufacturing, and you can make or you can convert your idea into a project. Okay, by as a product. Okay, by using these facilities. Okay, so apart from this, so we have these the hardware level design, how you need to design the schematics for different applications, and PCB design, manufacturing of that PCB, and assembling of that PCBs, right? So we have complete automated assembly unit here in our premises. So on after that, so we have a various firmware development, right? So the application, it needs some kind of an firmware development, right? So those kind of a software development is also there, and testing, right? So after completion, then we need to go for a product level testing. And as a product, right, so whatever we made a PCB or anything, right, so we should need some kind of an enclosure, right? So those enclosure design and manufacturing, right? So how to design in a CAD tools, right? So all these aspects. And apart from that, we have an in-house team for developing this custom cloud development, right? So as an IoT company, right, so wherever we go, we need to depend on some other third-party cloud service providers, right? So we have an in-house team; those can able to develop their own custom cloud. Okay, so these are the facilities which we are having as an in-house. Okay, you can take up any product, right? So it needs all these kind of facilities. It's there to be in a place, right? So we can simply say that we can offer you an one-stop solution for complete product manufacturing services. Okay, and so what could be the real expectation from as a fresher from your side, right? So as previous resource person they have shared that, right? The same thing only, but yeah, it's very much required to know programming knowledge, right? So what could that not to be as basics, right? So you need to be strong in at least with the C programming knowledge, right? So then other from that, right, so you need to learn about, for example, if you want to design any product, right, so you should aware about some basics, right? So that basics is the very key factor. Okay, so to make your product to be a success in a with a limited timeline. Okay, so those basics, that very much it is a fundamental knowledge you need to be developed. Okay, so for that, so we are offering these kind of a system. Okay, so you can be offered with kind of a complete C programming knowledge and embedded communication protocols. For example, there are different embedded communication protocols like I2C, SPI, UART, CAN, Modbus, like that, right? So we have various embedded communication protocols that you can learn from outside, and various IoT communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, or LoRa, right? So like that, so you can have a complete package, right? And whatever these things, so you can able to practically expose that in a hardware level implementation, and you can learn your concept very quickly, right? And the most important thing, right, so you can able to develop your self responsibility here. Okay, so these are the various factors and various communication and internship program which we are offering along with for the development of your knowledge and all. Okay, so we thought of taking care of all these communication protocols and IoT protocols and all. Okay, and as a company, right, so we have an application which we have developed and deployed these many various projects. Okay, so I just simply go through that. So this is one of our agricultural implementation which we did in Mysore. Okay, so and so this is an one more application for smart farming. It is an for laboratory. It is an open laboratory concept. Okay, and this is for air pollution monitoring and water quality monitoring parameter. Okay, so these are water quality parameters and water level monitoring in overhead tanks and canals, reservoirs, and overhead tanks, and based upon that some pump controlling. And this is for smart dustbin and underground drainage monitoring system with air quality monitoring and boiler boiler level monitoring and various parameter analysis in the boiler. Okay, and tracking systems. Okay, so these are all tracking system which we implemented, and automatic weighing scales, and with a smart grid wind turbine system for measuring the energy generation and measuring the oil viscosity in the turbines. Okay, air and water pressure monitoring inside the pipe, water meterings, and HVAC control for one of customer. And this is a complete dashboard of project which we deployed. Okay, for energy conserve or energy saving. And this is a weather monitoring solution, complete weather monitoring like temperature, pressure, humidity, rainfall, all those things. And there's a feedback device for parking solutions. Okay, smart parking solutions which we deployed. And there's a complete smart home automation system like automated light and fan on your entry, like space curtain control, fire alarm, ambience monitoring, and smart energy meters. Okay, and this for production monitoring and air quality monitoring in textile industries. Okay, so this is one of the machines automation like for washing machines. Okay, and pump. Okay, in electrical fuel pump and even for electrical vehicle charging, this is one of our ongoing thing. Okay, so this is energy smart energy meters. And this complete solutions and automation, and this is for one of poultry automation for monitoring the water metering solution, water level in overhead tank, and air quality, right? So all those things are one of our current ongoing projects. And so if you would like to join, right, so we will offer you a better thing, right? So the major thing is you need to first develop your from the base, okay, so that you can able to make yourself to be a better position in the future. And you can have a multiple portfolios from a thing, right? So hope and all the best for your future, right? So as I'm seeing that a lot of initiative from the project contest, and also I'm seeing there are a lot of students has joined for this program, and just hats off to you all, right? So you made yourself as a better position in the future, right? So all the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Gautam, sir, on representing Entutech Solutions. You have joined. I thank Entutech team for sharing all the details. I think many students would have got awareness about the various projects you have done, and many students also going to present the ideas today. Thank you, sir. So
Thank you,
next,
sir.
yes, sir, you can stop the screen sharing, sir. So next, I'd like to invite Mr. Balabhaskar, founder and CEO of EdiLab Technology Solutions, who is always a great supporter and motivator for our project contest. Over to you, sir. You can share your experience and your what you are doing. Over to you, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
So you are audible, sir.
Yeah, sir. So very good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I am really honored that we have been a part of this campus talent event, and also we always look forward something that should be created. As a part of Relax Technology Solutions, we usually focus on embedded kinds of product development, but right now we have started in the year 2015 along with another venture for software division like Webroid Business Solution. So these two divisions, one with software and another is hardware. But as for the hardware is concerned, we have been in a team of freelancer community where we have been grouped into the people who are best in their concern, and we have been putting forward our idea, and we have been conducting various programs in the part of IoT and other embedded related solutions as a part of industry training and also for colleges. And right now some of the institution has been come up with new ideas. We have been helping them to the end of like product development. So this is the thing about us. And as many eminent speakers, those who have shared their experience already, they have shared as a thing like they have pitched into a single thing called idea. So on this time, I like to share the thing on one point that you are being here to share your idea. It may be of a big area or a small area. Don't think about that. Your idea should be converted into a product. That is the only goal you have to keep it out. So that is the best. This is one of an best platform where you can brainstorm your ideas. You will get multiple suggestions or views from many students community and also from other community. We think of one thing in the kid level age. We have more and more creativity, right? So starting, we will be going and doing something, and we will be doing and all other thing into some creative fashion. It may be good or bad. We don't think about that, but we will do. But as far as when we are stepping into school or college, what we have been done is we have been shorted into a single concept like some book worms or book learning, something like that. We people focus on marks and something like that, but we never focus on our creativity and something. Around 90% of people are going with that. So you have to put forward your ideas on creativity to a single goal, and you should be focused upon that goal into a some kind that may be of any product. Sir, I am good at programming like for hardware, then you can be an embedded solution provider. Sir, if I'm good at with some programming language like C, Python, or React, something like that, then you can be a web developer. But you learn, put your idea, get the suggestion from the people who are and give the product into some vendors who can work with that, and they can give some suggestion to you. you just convert that idea into a product with many stages. You don't worry about that success or failure. Don't think about that. But you put your idea and you think you have to develop a product. Surely you can develop your product. But the thing is, you have to know all the what as Gautam sir and Vigneshwaran sir said, you have to learn from the basics. That is the important thing. Here, I like to share some 9 points to you. That is the very first point is you brainstorm your ideas like what Project Contest is doing. So if you put your, I think I have been attending the last session in SciFesta. One student has put his idea in the idea presentation. Around 10 to 12 participants who are on that call, they have asked many questions related to that product. So the one who has been thinking that whether his project is a very better one, he thought that some corrections can be done and it can be improved further. That is the thing which is required in this brainstorming session. So if you put forward your idea, you will get suggestion from multiple vendors or multiple students who are on that call, and you can develop your idea into a good product. Then you find a idea to solve that problem, and you do some research market. Whether that product can be developed and what kind of thing is going on there, you do such kind of thing. And after that, once it is okay, then you document your ideas, and you find your targeted audience, and you patent your work. That is the ultimate thing. The what we are facing, that we are not patenting anything. So you start with the idea presentation. We think whenever you are putting your idea over here, you think that is over. That is not end. You have to develop the product. So you go for patent. Once the patent is done, as Rajsekhar said, there are many incubation centers are there. They are looking over the funding agencies. You put their idea to them. They will be looking for the funding. You get the fund. You get connected with the industrial peoples like Nanda Infotex or like Axis Global and also Entutech, and you can develop the product if they are in your wing. Then you can go for marketing your product. So this is the thing which you have to do. So if you do that, then that will be quite good. So I think you are in the right place to share your idea and to develop your idea. This project contest, they have always putting their work and their effort in building a global innovation thing. So I think you are in the right place. So Rajsekhar sir, in person I thank every one of your team who are always putting your time in developing the students community into an entrepreneur. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. I think you have given a wonderful thing about how you have to develop from a scratch to an industry. Thank you, sir. And next, I like to call our mentor, Dr. Ganapati Raman, sir, who is the professor at Nurul Islam Higher Education from Takkali, Tamil Nadu. Over to you, sir. And he is also an MHRD's, the now it is known as the MOE, Ministry of Education's IIC Innovation Ambassador. Over to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So I am very much impressed by Mr. Rajesh Shekhar, the founder.
Sir, your screen is very black, sir. Your face is not visible. We have the black background, sir.
Okay, dark okay, sir, no problem, sir. So with
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So I am very much impressed by Mr. Rajesh Shekhar, the founder, the project contest.com. So now it is an LLB company, and his team for nurturing innovation, startup culture among students, entrepreneurs, faculties, innovators, and publics through various videos. The project contest.com is regularly making the awareness videos for almost all contests organized by various government and non-governmental agencies. Mr. Rajesh Shekhar is doing his job satisfaction of all the participants, and he is a very good contact with the industry and institutions to lift you. So he himself a proprietor, innovator, inventor, mentor, and innovation ambassador, etc. And he is a multi-faceted personality fellow. So Campus Talent is a virtual idea project presentation event. It is one among them. So it is falls on the next day of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam 19th birthday. So yesterday is Abdul Kalam birthday. So he chosen the right date, and this type of competition is needed for an hour also. So it's an excellent service rendered by the young innovators. So it may be the first unique platform converging entire innovation aspirant, and the project Contest.com is doing a tremendous effort of popularizing various innovation contests organized by the government and non-governmental agency. I wholeheartedly congratulate Project Contest.com for organizing very essential competitions. So where the many institutions, industries not touching this area is not much. I hope everyone to enjoy this event, and the innovation is where the creativity meets ambition. The innovation distinguishes the leader and the follower. The famous quote by Steve Jobs: "So be a leader and be the better leader." So creativity is seeing the same thing as everybody else, but thinking of out-of-box solutions. So this is a quote from the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So out-of-box thinking is essential for the innovator. So I congratulate all the participants, so the budding innovators to take any extra steps towards innovation. So you are the real hero or the aspirant of innovations. So I thank the organizer for giving me opportunities for being the part of the event. So thank you, one and all. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Always a great supporter. From your vision only, we are also developed most of the initiatives from our side. Thank you, sir. So once again, I thank all the industrial partners, incubation partners, knowledge partners, and digital partners who have joined for this inauguration program, starting from Access Global Automations, Into Technology Solutions India Private Limited, Nanda Infotech, Edilabs Technology Solutions, and also I thank Annamalai Innovation Research Foundation, True Line Academic and Research Center, Dream 360 for partnering with us. And I thank Ganapathy Raman sir, MOIIS Innovation Ambassador from Nurul Islam Center for Higher Education for joining and giving a special address to his students.